Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Maria, and if you're not, hello again and thank you very much for watching. So today's episode, is going to be all about glitters, and I've ordered some glitter eyeliners from eBay and they just arrived and I'm really excited to test them out. So I have 4 colors over here. They were really cheap, by the way. I know glitter eyeliners are a really big hit right now, and I wanted to find some that are really affordable and nice. So I hope these are. I have these 4 colors. We're going to swatch them and test them on the eyes and all of that good stuff. So if you're interested in seeing that, stay tuned and watch the video. Okay, so let's do all the swatches before testing them on the eyes. So the first one is this one. This is the box that it comes in, and this one is number 7. It's green. And this is the packaging. It's very nice, very simple. It's plastic, by the way. It has a brush. And this is what the swatch looks like. It seems to have a clear base and green glitters. And the next one is pink, and this one is number 9. This is the next swatch, same consistency. Seems to be a clear base with pink glitters. Now my favorite color. This one is number 4. And it's bronzy orange type of color. The brush seems to be a little bit wider. Maybe it's not, maybe I'm imagining. Same story, orange glitter, clear base. They don't seem to be that packed or opaque, so I don't know how well they're going to work on the eyes, but we'll see. And the last one is red. This is also a very nice and wearable color. So these are all the swatches on my hand. Okay, so now it's time to test out some of these glitters out on the eyes, and I have a basic makeup look going on, so I'm going to give it a little bit of glitter. So I was thinking about using these 2 glitters today, and I'm going to make like a gradient of some sort. So yeah, I'm going to start with the lighter color and then finish with the darker color. So let's do that. And now it's time to give you my final thoughts regarding these eyeliners. If you haven't noticed so far, I adore these eyeliners and I really recommend them. I didn't think they were going to be this beautiful on the eyes because they have a clear base and the glitter doesn't seem to be that packed. So I thought they will be a flop, but they aren't. They don't transfer that much. They are really opaque and beautiful. They're just enough, they're not too much. So they're very wearable. So I really enjoy these, and for the price I think they are a steal. I will link them down below, and you can leave me your opinions about these guys if you test them out for yourself. So yeah, that concludes this video. If you like it, leave it a thumbs up and please subscribe. I post videos twice a week and I really hope to see you again soon. Bye!